Okay, good evening. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. My topic for tonight will be this is a random topic on my mixed videos. It's the so-called study of partial fraction. Okay, we got here a problem. We are given the equation 1 all over the product of the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 3. And this should be equal to capital letter A all over x plus 2 right, plus capital letter B all over x minus 3. The problem here is that we must have to take the equivalent of this left hand side here to be equal to the right hand side. This is the so-called partial fraction. On the left hand side, the quantity on the denominator contains two linear factors. And as a rule, under the study of partial fraction, if the components on the what you call this denominator contains only linear factors which are not repeated, the equivalent of this will be first factor, second factor. So the equivalent of this one on the right hand side should be two partial fractions. That's why our topic for tonight is partial fraction. So we will take that x plus 2, we place it here, and there should be an unknown number a here. And since there are two linear factors, the second one is actually x minus 3. We put it here. Okay? And there should be an unknown capital letter B here. So these two here are equivalents. And how could we solve for the value of A and B? Okay, so that's the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Okay, let's try to bring out the solution. The solution of this one is something like this. We will rewrite the given left hand side. Sorry for that one. That will be the product of x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3. And d should be equal to a all over x plus 2 plus b all over x minus 3. Okay? Again, we will rewrite the left hand side again. That is 1 over x plus 2. This is multiplied by x minus 3, and this should be equal to. For the right hand side, okay, we use the so-called crisscross method. Okay, it will become a multiplied by x minus 3 plus b. We are adding two fractions with different denominator. So we will be using the so-called butterfly method or the crisscross method. B times x plus 2 all over, okay? The resulting common denominator now will be the product of this. Oh, that's the so-called, from my previous lesson, addition of two fractions with different denominator. It will be the crisscross value, the sum, okay, and the common denominator will be the product. So this will become x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3. Okay? So actually, we can make cancellations now here. This is the product of x plus 2 times x minus 3. This is the product of x plus 2 times x minus 3. Okay? So if we try to multiply all the terms by the product of x plus 2 times x minus 3, okay? I will try to see my camera if it was taken. Oh yeah, it was taken. To to eliminate these two here, we must have to multiply all the terms by this one here. Oh, this is actually all over 1. So this, if we try to multiply the left hand side by this will disappear. Right? And again, if we try to multiply the right hand side by this quantity here, this x plus 2 also disappear. And so with this one. So actually, we are clearing out the denominator. So what comes out is 1 is equal to a times the product of x minus 3 plus b multiplied by the product of x plus 2. Okay? Actually, in the solution for the value of a, I will just present one solution. If x is equal to compute for b and to eliminate a, we put x equal to 3. Right? If we put x to be equal to 3, we can solve for b, and a will be 0. Right? So 1 now, if we try to substitute the given condition x equal to 3, 1 now will be equal to a multiplied by 3 minus 3 will be 0. So this will become 0, right? Plus b multiplied by, if x is equal to 3, this will become 3 plus 2, which is 5. Right? So since a times 0 will be 0, okay, b now will be equal to 1/5. So the second constant, which is capital letter b, the value is actually equal to 1/5. Okay, I will try to bring out the continuation of the solution here. I will try to see if it's still taken by the camera. Okay, I will continue here. If x is equal to, we assume another value of x. If x is equal to negative 2, this will become 0. Okay, and we could compute for a. So if x is equal to negative 2, okay, we could compute for a, and the value of b is equal to 0. Right? So going back to this equation here, 1 now will be equal to a multiplied by, if x is equal to negative 2, this will become negative 2, negative 3, it will become negative 5. Right? Plus the value b, if x is equal to negative 2, negative 2 plus 2 will be 0, so this will become 0. And b, capital letter b times 0 will be 0, so this will become 0. So the only unknown now is actually a. And we could compute for a, it should be negative 1/5. Okay? So the solution now of the problem is 1 over the product of x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 3 is equal to, the value of a is negative 1/5 all over x plus 2 plus the value of b is 1/5 all over x minus 3. Okay? So the solution of the problem now is, I will try to see my camera. The solution of the problem now is, the equation 1 over the product of x plus 2 times x minus 3 is actually equal to the value of a, according to our computation, is negative 1/5. So this is negative 1/5 all over x plus 2 plus the value of b, according to our computation, is positive 1/5. This is 1 over 5 all over x minus 3. So the final answer here is actually this one here. Okay? So the equivalent partial fraction of the equation 1 over the product of x plus 2 times x minus 3 is negative 1 over 5 over x plus 2 plus 1 over 5 over x minus 3. That's it, guys. I just present one solution to be for the time being, we could minimize the time because we lack space. Maybe the next time around I will present another solution for this one, so you would appreciate it. That's it. So this will be the final answer. Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor DJ Villasreal.